Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with two projects for the Instagram Crafty Dares. Um, we Each week we are given 3 items to use on our projects. It could be anything, but those 3 items have to be on whatever you're making. So last week, Crafty Dare was a sentiment, a sticker, and a feather. Okay. So I was like, wow, what can I use? Okay. So, looking through all my stickers, I found this feather and I made a really quick bookmark. And this is my sticker. Well, and then here's another sticker. And then this is a vellum flower. So here's my sentiment and the feather and the sticker. And then I added some bling on the bottom here and some seam binding from my stash. So that was last week's Crafty Dare. This week's Crafty Dare was a slim card, red and purple, and a sweet treat. So I made this card. And how I did the background is I used acrylic paint. These are the colors that I used. It's a violet paisley, a lavender, and a bright red acrylic paint. I used my new mat and I just added drops of red first and then spritzed it with some water and then I swooshed it around on my mat and then I dried it because I'll show you my mistake that I did the last one. This is what the other one looked like and it got muddy because the paint started mixing together and it was a blah mess. So I was crafting with a friend and she said, why don't you do it, separately so the colors wouldn't mix. And I was like, oh, great idea. So I did that and all I did was I smooshed it around. Then I dried it with my heat gun. Did the next color, which was the dark paisley or pansy, violet. What is it called? Yeah, violet pansy. And I swished that around and then I dried it with my heat gun and then I took some lavender and I did the same thing. So I really love how that turned out. Okay, and as you can see, there is some gold embossing. And how I did that was I took the Versamarker pen and I just kind of added some gold where there was white. So there was some down here, and I just colored it in. Not colored it in, but I used my Versamarker and I added that, and then I went with my gold. Where is my gold? Where did it go? Where's my detailed gold that I just had? That is so crazy. Where did it go? Okay. Oh, here it is. Jeez. I used some of this embossing powder. And that's where the gold came in. I love how that turned out. And then I've made these rosettes, I think it was a year ago that I just went crazy making them. And then I added some of the gold embossing folders. Say, I used my pen and I just added it to the edge of the rosette. and then put some embossing powder and heat set it. So it kind of has that gold emboss look. And then I added, this is a sticker from the Dollar Tree, and it has little red, and this is, it's pink, but I think it still went pretty well, and it had the red bling on the top there. And then this is a, I want to say it's a, where is my, here it is. It is little yellow bicycle die I've had in my stash. Here it is, Dream, out of black cardstock, and I called it a day. So I really love how this all turned out, and I could have used my gel plate, but I wanted to, use this glass mat and try it out. I've seen Tim Holtz used it with his distress ink, but I wanted to, try and do it with acrylic paint. So I really love how that turned out. So those are my 2 Crafty Dares, one this week and this one is for last week. So I think I'm going to be doing this, doing it every other week, see how it goes. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.